Some experts claim that losing weight and keeping it off is all about regulating what you eat. Mistake number 2. Extreme calorie restriction gives you a 90-year-old lady's metabolism. Mistake number 3. Assuming that all calories are created equal. We've only looked at calories so far. While calories are an important component in fat loss, they are not the only factor to consider. Mistake number 4. Following a too rigid, unrealistic diet. She discusses the finest eating regimen, known as Keto. Ketosis gives you an unfair advantage when it comes to weight loss. You're now looking at the graph. Time point versus body weight. How your weight loss has progressed over time. And now, the below are the 6 reasons why the keto diet is fat loss holy grail. Reason number 1. Increases fat burning significantly. Take a look at the graph. Insulin levels drop on a keto diet, which not only enhances your health but also greatly increases fat burning. Reason number 2. It's simple and straightforward. The keto diet is easy to follow, and you'll have fun while doing it. Take a look at the graph. Reason number 3. Hunger pangs will subside. I'll tell you something. Any diet that makes you hungry will never help you lose weight and keep it off. You can't stand the cravings any longer, and binging will result in you regaining all of your lost weight. On top of that, you'll almost certainly gain weight. The keto diet, on the other hand, puts an end to hunger. You won't feel hungry if you go keto. To put it another way, you'll look great not just in the after photo, but also in the after photo. Reason number 4. You don't need to work out to receive the benefits. On the keto diet, you don't need to exercise to lose weight. 5th reason. It's both healthy and secure. The keto diet is both a fat loss and a health-promoting diet. Need proof? As we saw in the first section of the video. Reason number 6. You'll lose weight on a regular basis. You'll start losing weight instantly once you start your tailored keto eating plan. You don't have to think about nutrition constantly. If you start today, here's what you'll get. An 8-week meal plan based on industry experts' experience and knowledge. Delicious dishes tailored to your tastes. Instructions on how to make your meals even more personalized. A meal plan containing a wide variety of foods. Step-by-step recipe directions that are very clear. A printable grocery list is available. And a lot more. So what are the outcomes if you chose to continue on this journey? And this is not some already written PDF plan you get. You will get your customized keto diet plan according to your body and age type. So that sounds interesting, no? And there's more good news. You will receive a free 7-day keto diet plan. It sounds appealing. Check it out right now in the description below. And now. And for whose this keto won't help. We've been around long enough to notice that there are 3 categories of folks we can't help. 1. Instead of taking action, you prefer to spend all of your free time attempting to figure out the best diet. 2. You believe you already know what you need to do to achieve your ideal body and are unwilling to listen to expert advice. 3. You don't want to use science-based dieting tactics and would rather do what the typical Joe does. Furthermore, you will not be disappointed after purchasing this keto program, since if even 1% of your needs are not met, you will not be charged. Yes, you can get a complete money-back guarantee. So, what are you holding out for? There is a big surprise I am going to reveal now for action takers. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from Panda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the SOOO Panda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I think all your doubts and questions are cleared. If you have any questions or doubts about this product, comment down below. Thank you. Keep safe. Bye until next time.